Don't get Diddy. Don't get Diddy.
Watch her,
Back to a corner. Back to a corner.
Back up.
He's invisible. He's invisible. I can hear him.
Shoot the bomb. Watch the bomb. Oh, he's right there. He got you.
Oh no! No. Bro, you had one job. You had one job.
Wow.
Don't get Diddied by bot, bro. Ah, he's here. He's here.
Yo, get that sniping up top. Nice.
All right, guys. I said we all go bottom, like everyone. All go bottom.
Fuck yeah, hell yeah, let's go.
I
got the bomb. Don't worry. I got it. Grab the snowballs. Get the snowballs.
It is right here.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. I'm planning. I'm laying the rock. He's right above me. He's on their balcony.
They're in our spawn. They're on bomb.
No!
You're terrible.
Whoa.
Yo, put the dude back on.
What's your name?
Yeah.
back on.
Put the dude back on.
You want to be cuddled? Shut the fuck up. Sweet boy. Mommy, what's up? Shut up, bitch.
Bro, I'm so scared of walking past the corner, and this man is just gonna be behind us. Oh, he's running. He's scared for his life. Ow! He was invisible too! Nah, wait.
Get him.
He's right there, you see him. Another one trying to diddy you. He's trying to diddy you. No!
Got him.
I warned you.
Somebody help me! Daddy's fucking the shit out of me!
Oh, yo!
Help me, man! This man's killing my shit!
Bad boys for life, baby. You gonna take
Get the fuck off me, Daddy!
Oh my god.
Hey, is that Big Mill?
That's too graphic. That's graphic, bro. That was too real. I felt like I was actually there. Oh damn. Oh my god. Yo, hey, it's too far. It's too far. No. Yo. Oh, the kissy noises. No, not the kissy noises. No. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Echo 12 shotgun in this video, and man, sometimes it's really good and other times it's actually terrible, but it is fun to use. I will say that it is actually fun to use. As you can see in the intro clips, we faced against, I think, the real life Diddy playing Call of Duty. This guy was getting everybody with the Diddy. We could not stop it, but we did win. We did win the game. So if you guys enjoy the video, go ahead and keep watching. We got a banger in this one for you. Thank you guys. Okay. I can hear him. Oh, they're all leaving now too. Let's go, team. Let's go. How's everybody backing out? Do they not like the shotgun? Do they have a problem with the shotgun? Weird. Wow, they're all in that window. That's crazy. that was scary.
Oh, he ran up on me.
Okay. Last two are in their spawn. One's AFK, unless he came back already. Oh, I got the drone. I got the drone. Hello, friend. Did I just jump over this guy? He had to go out the vent. Or he ran out over yonder. Yeah, come push me. Yeah! Oh, what an idiot!
I think Trav went AFK.
Oh my god. Yeah, push the shotgun. You guys like that shotgun? It's pretty nice, huh?
Yeah, I like that shit.
Yeah. Alright, I don't know when to I don't know how to use this drone on this map, bro. Cause like just kinda like flies around and snipes people, right? I don't know. We got UAV though. Scary. Scary, scary. No, bro, what? Oh, this gun's so cheap sometimes. Unfortunate. Unfortunate circumstances. I don't know who killed me up there, but you lucky. You lucky I'm using this dog shit shotgun. Bro, this shotgun's cheeks, bro. I'm telling you, the shotgun's cheeks. It looks fun, but it's not. It's not at all. This shit is ass, bro. You have to be like 4 feet away from him, bro. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fly at him this round, and if we lose, then we just gonna have to pull out our sniper drone here.
Oh!
No! I almost had 3 of them, bro. He's in the vent, Barnesy. He's in the vent. He's above you. Turn around. Turn around. You can hear him behind you. So you're behind you again! Oh my god, do you not have a headset? He's literally following you. He's shooting at you. Brother. Oh my god.
That's what happens when you fuck with a brother. Hey, I think bro got kicked.
Real?
Yeah, he
We'll
did.
finish this though. Yeah, he's doing something. Yeah, he's doing something. We'll finish this.
Yeah, I killed him like twice.
Kick me?
He was AFK both times. L-friend though. L-friend going AFK on his friends. Bro, team. Team. You guys gotta not be so ass. Like, actually bad, bro. I don't even know where to call this thing in at. Do I call it in here? Maybe? Oh my god, what? This is a thing? I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. Alright. Well, we just need to be a little bit better. Think I'm gonna chase you? No! Wait, bro. Team is so ass, bro.
She butt chicken. Wow.
Bro, why do I always get the brand new can't do shit? Like at least that guy, they're level 17 has 2 kills like both of them. Their level 6 has 6 kills. They're level 9, bro. Like, but my team on the other hand, they just run up and die. Like, why is he watching that? What? I don't know how this guy gets assassinated by somebody without ninja 2 rounds in a row. It blows my fucking mind. Like, why is it my team always has the players with no headsets, no brain, their controllers unplugged probably? Like, I just don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it at all. Like, look at the guy's level 9, 8 and 6. Barnesy is 4 and 3. Half. It don't make sense to me. And they're all going that way. Bro! Can I get any fucking help here, bro? Holy shit. Color me shocked. I really thought Chuck was going to 1v3 them. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, this guy can shoot straight. But he just has no headset.
Excuse my wife, guys.
No. Okay, alright. I don't even know what route to fucking take here, because this guy just sits there and waits for me in his spawn. A fucking loser. Fuck you, Chunk. Bro, these kids just come to instantly trade out, bro. It's so fucking weird. Yep, got your ass. Got your ass. Oh, you're down here. Is this guy chasing me? Oh my god, the team is locking in. The team is locking in. All I had to do was complain. Barnesy is 6 and 4. Never seen it before. Bro, please come to the side with me. Like, it's a free plant. I just need more than one person. That's not me. that though? Oh, he's like all the way out of the play. Got him though. Let's go, team. Let's go. These kids ain't got shit on us. Oh, their top player backed out. Unfortunate. Damn, bro lost like 2 rounds and then he backs out. It's crazy. He just can't handle the skill of my shotgun.
Protect the objective.
Alright, we got a UAV. We have invisibility. Invisibility. Got your ass. Oh, we got another one of the sniper drones. Is this kid coming to kill me? Oh, he's not. I think they're going B. Ha! Who invented? No, I'm out of ammo, bro. How do I get out of this thing? F. Oh my god. Did teammate just C4 him? Oh no, he didn't C4 him. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Woo! Didn't think it was gonna happen. GG's. GG's. Y'all just can't handle the
GG,
shotgun
guys.
skills. It's alright. Bro, there's no way I'm killing this guy, bro. I got a shotgun and a pistol. Got him. What an idiot.
Good job, Daddy.
Yeah, you like that? What do you mean, no more fun? We're not having fun? No more fun, guys. He's using a gun other than a sniper M15. No one's allowed to have any fun in this game. Let me get that bomb. Let me get that bomb. Smoke that. How? Why are they all there? He's so one shot. Why did bot leave, bro? This man dies one time and he leaves the game.
Success guarantees continued access to premium benefits.
There's like no routes. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Thought I didn't see you go in that water? Oh, you scared me. What the? Never expect me to go invisible here. Oh, he's got the 3 burst one. What? How does his shotgun shoot that fast? Like, kill that fast? Bro, last time I used the Akimbos, those things were fucking garbage. Alright. Alright, we just gonna have to lock in extra hard now. I don't know where to go on this side, because, like, they're just there. Maybe I just run straight to mid, I don't know. Maybe we just smoke that. Yep. Yeah. Ah! Why do they always go for me, bro? I swear to God, every skewer on Earth only goes for me, bro. Get his ass. Get his ass. Yeah. What happened, Otto? I thought no more fun was allowed. I'm still having fun. You haven't stopped it yet. What, we can't afford a mic? We're broke? Oh, there it is. There it is. The angry baby.
Secure the mission area at all
He is mad. He is mad.
Hostile UAV established above.
Bro, how many UAVs do they have, bro? Ow. Ow. Bro! Why is there no help over here? Bro, my team is dookie. Look at this, 5 and 4, 3 and 5, 2 and 2, 1 and 5. I'm using a gun. I have to get 3 feet away to actually get a kill. We're probably gonna have another UAV because, you know, Call of Duty just loves to hand those things out.
Eliminate the objective. We got the bomb.
Why do we want the shotty put away? Nah, no way we're complaining about the shotgun when we have a sniper out, bro. That's crazy. That's actually crazy work. You have the most broken gun in the game and you're complaining about a shotgun where I have to be 3 feet away from you to kill you? On maps only designed for long engagements? Wild. Actually wild.
We don't sit in our scope like pussies.
Okay. That's not what I saw. That's not what I saw.
Corporation needs your best today. It is that
I mean, maybe I'm just tweaking. This UAV every single fucking game, bro. Yeah, I guess I would be upset if that happened to me too. Is he in mid? Where is this guy at? Wow, dude. Wow. This is the guy complaining about a shotgun. Yep, that's the guy complaining about a shotgun. Sitting on statue with an M15, not moving off a head glitch.
Show yourself.
Oh, are we angry? Are we angry? Aww. 7 and 4. Wow. 7 and 6. 2 biggest whiners.
move in and execute all mission parameters. We got the bomb.
No one's allowed to use anything fun. No fun stuff. No fun stuff. Oh my god, that didn't go for me. Got him. Ha ha. This is the last idiot.
We're setting up the bomb.
Wow, bro. When did what? Last time I used the Akimbo Akitas, they couldn't fucking kill in fucking 3 shots like that.
Stocks are plummeting. Get this under
Oh well.
control.
Oh well, this guy's ass. Oh, he's using a shotgun, but I'm gonna pull out shotguns. I'm gonna pull out better shotguns, even though he's using one that's fucking dog shit. And then I'm gonna complain that he's using shotguns.
You're not complaining about the shotgun, are you?
I'm not. I don't care if you use shotguns.
Mission destroyed.
I just think it's hypocritical that you pull out meta shotguns when I'm using objectively one of the worst guns in the entire game.
Hostile
Bro,
UAV established.
please get away from me. Wow, you are such a pussy, bro. You are such a fucking pussy, bro. What an idiot, bro. What a fucking idiot. Oh! What the fuck? Yo! Yo! Ah! Get that thing away from me, bro. Yo, he is on my ass with that thing.
Not much time left to
Where'd it go?
lock down. Hostile setting device. Hostile remain.
Dead.
Take them out.
This is the last one. Auto. Of course it is. He's over here somewhere.
Activation underway.
Yeah! Get slammed. Get slammed. Get slammed. Get slammed, loser. Get slammed. Yeah, you did get slammed. You did get slammed. Oh, we're angry about a shotgun. Oh. No fun. No fun allowed. Celeste, you're me. I can have fun. Because you're dog shit and can't stop me.
Yeah, hang yourself.
Yeah, cry about a shotgun more. Cry about a shotgun more. Keep using M15s and whatever fucking meta bullshit you guys want. It's, bro, this is not the easiest gun in the game, I promise you. I'd love for you to pull out this gun, the Echo 12, and try and go positive with it. I'd love to see it. Especially on a map like Raid. I'd love to see you go double positive on Raid with that
You're
shotgun.
trash. You're trash.
Yeah, you can't do it because you know you're trash. Alright guys, as always, we made it to the end, and we got the class set up here for you guys that made it all the way this far. We have the dual clone suppressor. It's just a regular suppressor. We do have the 18.7-inch Magellan barrel for the damage range. We have the ignition rear grip. That is for your sprint to fire speed, your greave stock, which is like your strafing speed and kind of your hip fire mobility. We have the recoil sync unit. I will say this is probably going to be a great attachment for this gun that'll make it a lot better, because this gun's really not that great, especially in search, because everyone just plays headies in longer distance. So you have to smoke to push up and take that space. So I think this is going to be a good attachment. I just didn't have it unlocked, and I really didn't feel like grinding the gun to get that unlocked. So, you know, it is what it is. But I probably would if you have this leveled up enough, I would put this guy on instead of the recoil units. I would not use the Dragon's Breath. I tried using the Dragon's Breath. The Dragon's Breath is bad. It will make it a 2 to 3 shot every time minimum at medium and close range. If you have the regular ammunition on, it will be a 2-shot pretty much every time, and sometimes a 1-shot. But the Dragon's Breath, like it won't even 2-shot up close. Like it relies on the actual fire damage to get that kill. So if they have Flak Jacket on, you cannot 2-shot anyone with the Dragon's Breath. So once again, do not recommend that. Just regular ammo. I had the recoil springs on. I don't know if they were necessary. Maybe an optic, maybe a laser, something might be better. I would definitely put on the rapid drum if you guys got that unlocked. And as always, guys, much love. I really appreciate you guys making it this far in the video and watching these guys all the way through. I will put the build code down in the description or in the pinned comment. That's all I got for this one. Hope to see you guys in the next one.